Well, my name is Matthew Swindell, and I am the director of the Manchester by the Sea Museum. And I am here with a reproduction project of the Forster Flag for our summer exhibit this year. It's 2026, and America is celebrating its 250th birthday. Here at the Manchester by the Sea Museum, we are celebrating a particularly historic flag, the Forster Flag, associated with the Manchester militia, who in 1775 answered the call of the Lexington Alarm. It is said, according to the Forster family lore, that they had a particular flag which was passed down through the generations of the family. Now, this flag is notable and has been recognized for having 13 stripes and being the oldest American flag with 13 stripes to represent the 13 colonies, united in defiance of the British Crown.
My name is Jules Means, but I go by Jules. I love to sew, make things out of fabric and restore things and mend things, and the flag idea really appealed to me. Matt Genta knew exactly what he wanted. He had studied it, and he said, this is what I need, this is what we need to do.
My name is Matthew Genta, and I am a trustee here at the Manchester by the Sea Museum. What we've done is we've ordered 2 replicas of the British ensign that would have been flown in 1775. So lore has it that the Forster flag was created from 2 or 1 captured British ensigns. So with that as our starting point, we decided to disassemble an ensign of that period. What we're showing here is the ensign has been already disassembled, and we have all the component parts of smaller white stripes, and the blue field, which we won't be using. But we will be using these smaller stripes to create the smaller stripes which are seen on the Forster flag. We have enough stripes to create the 13 stripes, 6 on one side and 7 on the other.
So that's how it was before
Right.
they cut it up. To me, it was an interesting challenge because the stripes are so tiny because they only wanted to use the white fabric that they had taken from the British flag to remake this for the colonies. And it would have been easier probably to just, go out and make a flag with the stripes on it, but it had to be just the right scale. That was challenging. But I don't know if I just don't, because I'll still sew it, because it kind of looks, you look at it and you think, why is it, all up in the corner like that? But that's how it was, that's how it's supposed to be on both sides. Not here either.
No, but it's not showing the total top.
Yeah.
They took this like silly picture frame.
Mm-hmm. I had to piece it in places, and you can see all the patches. It looks like patches, and I think that's probably how it would have been done then too. It wasn't like I went out and bought yardage that was all a perfect field, like you would do for the back of a quilt, for instance. You'd have it and you'd work with it that way and not have to piece it so much together. This is lots of pieces sewn together. You can see all the stitching on it when you get up close. times I brought it over when it was in process, and a few other friends sat and we stitched the little white stripes on. I feel like it came out exactly the way it would have come out if we'd done it, back in the day.
And the tag goes in the back. It's this way.
Okay,